Here is our first problem, 98 plus 96. Think about which strategy would be most reasonable for you to use to solve this problem. Hit the pause button, solve it, and then hit the play button to see which method I chose to use. Remember, we don't have to agree, we just have to be able to explain our own thinking. Did you explain how you would solve the problem to someone? Let me show you which method I chose to use. I decided to use compensation because I saw that I could easily take 2 from this 6 and add it to my 8 over here, and that would make this side be 100 and this side be 94. And to me, adding 100 plus 94 is really quick and easy, and I came up with 194. Which method did you use? Okay, same thing, 82 plus 18. Hit the pause button, solve it on your own, explain it to someone near you, and then press play to see which method I chose to use. To me, when I looked at this problem and I saw the 2 and the 8, I immediately wanted to do make 10 because I knew that 2 plus 8 made 10 very easily. So I just decided to take my 8 from this side and put it over here so that I now have 90 plus 10, which equals 100. Which method did you choose? Okay, our third problem, same thing. Think about how you would solve it. Press the pause button, solve it and explain it to someone, and then press play when you're ready to see which method I chose. When I looked at this problem, 2 things came to mind. First of all, I could easily use compensation and take away the 5 and put it over here and get 67 plus 30 equals 97. I also thought that I could use expanded form. 60 plus 2 and 30 plus 5. Together I have 90 and 7. 97. So obviously either method gets me the same answer if done correctly, and both of them were pretty efficient in this case. All right, are you ready to solve our last problem together? Go ahead and solve 47 plus 31, explain it to someone near you, and then press play to see how I chose to solve it. For this problem, I could use compensation, be pretty easy. I could use expanded form. It would also be pretty easy, but in this case, I think I'm going to try using jumps of 10. So I start with 47, I jump 3 times for my 30, so there's 57, 67, 77, each of those represent my 10s, and now I just need to jump once for my 1s place, so 77 plus 1 is 78. I hope you could see the different ways of thinking of which method is most reasonable and most efficient.